Hey friends, if your mouse pointer keeps flickering on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure to fix it. The first solution is to restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the list to load. You'll find the Windows Explorer process here. Right click on it and then select Restart. The next solution is to check the drivers and update them to the latest version. Right click on the Start button. Select Settings from the menu and then go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced Options. Click on Optional Updates. Install all the optional updates. The next solution is to run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. So we have a command for this. I'll read it out to you. It is msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. So you can search for you can press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Paste this command here and hit enter. Click on next and it will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. And the last solution is clean boot. Now here's what a clean boot does. If a third party software is interfering on your computer, then you can isolate this cause by rebooting your system in the clean boot state. So search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the services is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.